These are the Brightown LED string lights. I got these in a 50-foot section here. So this outdoor room, we used a 50-foot and a 25-foot. So 75 feet took care of the entire room. They're just very nice. I'm very happy with these. This is a big upgrade. The old ones that I had in here, they were made out of glass. So these are made out of plastic, so it's much safer. Easy to change. Brightown gives you some extra bulbs. They give you an extra fuse, but overall, I'm very pleased with these. I use these right here to secure the wiring, and it's just one simple little nail and it holds it in really nice and easy. But overall, I'm very happy with these. They went up nice and easy. They were patched really good in the box, and it just took me about probably 30 minutes to get these up and running, and it just looks really nice here. So I use those hooks to secure them, and I have this timer here that has a remote control to turn them on and off with a remote. So definitely want to check out Brightown if you're looking for some patio string lights. Very happy with these. Really nice, high quality lights. Definitely recommend them.